guys, we're here at the Living Ground Project just outside of Vilcabamba, Ecuador. Leisha has truly built something special here, and she's opening it up for a small group of people. I'm gonna let her show you.
Both the HDL and the LDL, they're both beneficial. There is a difference between being told what is inside of your body and actually seeing it yourself. Most people have never looked. They get numbers, they get reports, but they've never actually sat with their own blood and watched it move. This is where that changes. Vilcabamba, the Valley of Longevity. People have been coming here for generations, looking for what this land seems to hold. I came here looking for that too, and I found something I was not expecting. I found that the soil teaches you about your body, and the body teaches you about the soil. They actually speak the same language. Living Ground is where these two things meet. It's not a clinic, it's not a classroom, it's a living system where what you eat, what you observe, and how you feel are all connected. Over 8 days, you will observe your own blood. You will change what you eat, what you drink, and how you move throughout the day. And then you will observe again. This is not theory. You are not memorizing charts. You are sitting with your own blood and learning how to look. The food is part of the process. The gardens are part of the process. One day, you will be in the kitchen, creating your own personalized ferment based on what you saw in the microscope that morning. Everything here is connected, and that is the point. I have been doing this work for over 30 years, first in Canada, now here in this valley. What I teach is what I live every day. June 29th to July the 6th, right here. 15 people, that's all. If something in your body has been asking to be seen, maybe it's time to take a look.
If you've been called by anything you just heard, click the link in the description. We'd love to see you down here for the retreat. Leisha, what are the dates one more time?
June 29th to July the 6th.
Click the link in the description, guys. And just a special sneak peek for all participants on the retreat, you get a copy of Leisha's book, A Live Blood Guide. It's a live blood analysis for a layperson, for everyday person. It's comprehensive, it's awesome. And if you can't make it here for the retreat, it's available on Amazon. We'll put the link in the description. Check it out. We hope to see you down here one day, guys.
Until then.
We'll see you next time.